Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, let's explore Causeway Bay here in Victoria Park. Ayan. But before going further, let me first say mega love shout out po sa lahat ng aking mga subscribers, likers, viewers, sa lahat po ng mga sumisilip sa aking channel. Thank you very much po sa support niyo at sa mga views niyo na binibigay kay Sol Abi Vlogs. To all my subscribers, family, friends, new YouTube friends, uh, sa lahat po ng mga sumusuporta sa ating vlogs, muli, thank you very much po sa inyong lahat. Sa lahat po ng mga tahanan na umumpun kay Sulabi, thank you very much po sa inyong lahat. Sa lahat ng mga admins, members na nandyan pa rin po sa supporting until now. Thank you very much po for always there for me. Ayan. So, by the way guys, if you want to come here in Victoria Park, it's just easy access. You have just to ride to the MTR and then drop off to Causeway Bay and then exit to exit E. Walk left and then just follow the crowds because mostly at this time, if there's festivals in this area, there's some events, there's a lot of people. So it's just easy access to go there. You have just to follow the crowd if you're going to reach the Causeway Bay uh, MTR and then exit E as an eagle. Ayan. So as we can see here, ayan, there's a lot of decorations they made. There's a lot of entries. As you can see here, it's good if you have friends to come here and family. You can do some selfies, some picture takings, bonding, something like that. So much better if you come here at night. The view is much better because there's a lot of lights from the lanterns. Ayan. So, actually, medyo late upload tayo kasi ngayon lang tayo nakahanap ng time para mag-edit. But there's still more. For the next year, you can go like that. You can go earlier if you want. Just stay tuned for the news about when it will be held, the Lantern Festival here in Victoria Park. Yeah. So as we go around, we can see a lot of people here and a lot of lantern displays, different kinds of lantern displays that they are preparing here for this year 2025. Ayan. So, ayan, napakarami talagang tao dito guys na makikita natin habang nag-iikot po ako at pinapakita ko po sa inyo yung kabuuan ng place. Maraming nakapila, maraming iba-iba yung ginagawa nila dito. So tayo, we're just going to explore around and look around everything that they have decorated here for this year. Ayan, as you can see, patuloy lang tayo. Let's go forward. Let's walk around so I can show you everything here. Ayan. So, the decorations are very colorful with the lanterns. So beautiful displays here. Look at that. So, ayan, there's family picture takings and the lanterns, colorful. Yeah, very nice. And this one is featuring the sea. This is like a underwater an underwater view. So there are corals. What else? The seaweed. Ayan. And what else that? I forgot what's the name of that. Ano nga ba yan? Basta yan yung Makate. Ayun. And then there's seahorse, something like that. Jellyfish, ayun. Naisip ko na, jellyfish yun. And there's fish, ayan si Dory. Remember Nemo? So here is Dory. Yan. So, yeah, napakaganda yung ano nila. So we're here is on this part. There are some people performing there for the night. And there's heart here. You can do some selfie. And then we move forward. We can see there's a lot of beautiful lanterns here in this area. And this one here, there is a dragon. Ayan. So we can see the dragon lying down. And here, let's continue walking. There's a lot of um, people here, and they have a display that the children can participate. Children, walang S. Ayan, could participate in their activity. So like that, as you can see here, there's a lot of um, stalls. It's that, ayan, parang bahay-bahay siya. Ayan, para diyan sila nagpo-perform ng mga activities nila like makeup, ganun. So you can just watch them and observe. Or you can buy the products that they made um, manually. Ayan, by hand. It's very original and very beautiful. So let's go forward. Patuloy lang tayo. So I can show you everything around here. Ayan. There's a lot of people. May ano to actually, may sounds. Kaya lang tinanggal natin para maging clear. Ayan, kasi hindi pwede. So pinalitan natin ng ating voice. Ayan. So there's a lot of people here, as you can see. Ayan, lakad-lakad lang. Walking around. Some were enjoying and buying something for themselves to bring home with a display lanterns. Ayan. There's some also to buy here, the lanterns, the one they made. So just very enjoyable if you come here actually. So let's go forward. Let's walk around still. We're not yet done with the exploration here in the Victoria Park. So, ulitin ko lang, Victoria Park is located in Causeway Bay. You have to exit to E and then walk left and go forward, cross the road, I think 2 times. And there, you can see first you can see the fountain, and just go forward, there's a lot of people. So as you can see here, this is the display in the stalls. And ayan, you can buy if you want these products they have made for their entry for this year's festival. Ayan. So that's very nice. This is the dragon, as you can see here. I'm not reading the one that is written there, but yeah, this is dragon. Dragon display with a rabbit for this year. Ayan, it's very nice. Ayan. Ayan, nakikita natin. Napakaganda. Ikot lang tayo. Let's just walk around and explore more and show you the decoration here, the display here for this year. So yan, there's something written there. I did not get time to read because napakaraming tao. Umiiwas tayo sa maraming tao na nasa paligid. Ayan. Marami na picture taking dyan. Kaya tayo, nasa taas yung camera natin para hindi sila mahagip. Ayun. Yan yun guys. So napakalaki ng rabbit na nilagay nila dito. Tsaka ito hindi ko maintindihan kung ano tong mga mukha na to. Ayan. Basta yan, dragon yan sa taas. Ayan. Ano yan? Ayun. Ayan. So, pakita ko talaga sa inyo para makita nyo yung napakagandang view nila. Yan. So dito naman, this is the lanterns. They form like a very small square. Not very small actually. Big square. Tapos, nilagyan nila ng mga lanterns na ganyan. Sinabitan nila. They placed a lot of lanterns. And there's a light inside na may umiilaw-ilaw doon. Ayun. Nakikita nyo yan. So, ganun yung display na ginawa nila dito. Different kinds of lanterns around the square. Big square standing. So, dito naman, dito tayo sa horse at saka panda. Nandito yung horse na lantern. Dito sa gilid, may mga flowers. And then, the panda is here. And beautiful flowers with a bamboo. Ayan. Yan yung display dito bandang side. It's beautiful. And there's light in it. Ayan. Dito lang tayo sa gilid para hindi makita natin yung napakaraming tao guys sa paligid. Actually. So, para makita nyo yung magandang view, humanap tayo ng pwesto na hindi sila makikita. Kaya tingin nyo walang tao. So, ganun. And this part here, we're back to the underwater view. So, ito yung dragon sa gilid. Nag-perform sila dyan. At saka pwedeng magpakuha ng dyan, picture, photography, picture taking, gano'n. Ayan, kasama yung mga nagbitbit sa kanila at galit. So, napakaganda guys. At sana napanood nyo rin at pupuntahan nyo ito last October 7. Ayan, yung pinakalas na display dito. So, late upload lang itong ating ginawa guys. Ayan yung sabi ko kanina hindi ko matandaan. Si Nemo pala yun at saka si jellyfish. Ayan. Yan yung under the sea. Underwater display sa banda na to, sa party na to. So muli, ito tayo. Bago tayo end ng ating video for this vlog. So, ito yung moon na nakikita natin dyan. Ito yung so I'm showing you the moon, the super moon. This is the first super moon of the year and among the 3. So, ayan. Guys, so yun lang po muna ang ating vlog for today. Thank you for watching. That ends our vlog for today featuring the Lantern Festival during the Mid-Autumn Festival here in Hong Kong. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new to my channel. Thank you very much for stay connected to be updated with the next videos. Once again, this is Solabi, always reminding you to stay healthy and be safe always. See you in the next videos. Maraming salamat ulit.